Make a great choice today with the 2017 Cherokee. The Jeep Cherokee offers superior off-road capability. This makes the Cherokee a fine choice for families who venture off-road or vacation in the mountains or other remote areas. This vehicle has less than 90,000 miles. Here are some of this vehicle's great options: rear spoiler, alloy wheels, active grille shutters, remote keyless entry, fog lights, four-wheel disc brakes, speed control, electronic stability control, brake assist, traction control. Searching for a dependable vehicle that looks great too? You found it, so stop in today.